Because this one's a little thicker, but still thin. And maybe a little stronger.
You don't even...
I can't feel it, Ad.
You don't feel it?
Oh, I'm low, but holy cow.
Of course you are.
Yeah. Third attempt to film, to start my video. I'm wearing sweater because it's cold outside. It's chilly already, and I'm going to the other house. It's 7:30. I'm going to the other house to pick up my mother-in-law, to see my husband. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I can go to Asian store, and yeah, I can go to Asian store. Garbage right here. Maraming garbage. So be a good girl. Okay guys, I'm leaving. Okay, I have my wallet, I have my car keys, I have my phone, I have my charger. I just need to use the bathroom. That's all before I go. And I still have enough gas, so which is good. I'm going to charge what I have to charge, which is my iPad. I have a cell phone charger now because, you know, always forget to charge whatever. See you in the other house, guys. So I just talked to Tommy, and he said nothing. He just said see ya. I have Mentos in the car. This is when I was hungry the other day when I went to the store. And yeah, so where is my thing? Okay, sorry, it's really hard when there's no light. Oh, you know, cool. Okay guys, I will put you in the thing. Okay, anyway, so I just decided not to film driving, so I'm just going to see you in the other house when I get there. It's better that way, it's safer, and yeah, so I will see you in the other house. So yeah, camera is going bad. It's not the camera, it's the SD card. So every time I film, I have to stop and play again. It sucks.
Mark II?
Yeah, Mark II. Tommy is looking if he can sit up. How do you call that? The firmware? Firmware. I've been talking to myself, but it's always memory card error. But it's not the cameras having problem, guys. It's the memory card. Yeah, it's not a battery.
No firmware problems. Let's see.
You guys let me know, guys, if you have a Canon G7X or even Canon G7X 1 or 2. Let me know, guys, if you have this problem like what I have, the memory card error. It's not all the time, but if you take the memory card to take some clips to transfer into your laptop, and then when you put it back, no matter what you do, if you take the memory card and then you put it back, and then you have a memory card error all the time, and then you just have to keep shutting it off, shutting it on. I don't know if I'm the only one have that. I know there is some few people on YouTube that have that problem. They review it, but there's no solution. Well, Tommy did the thing. He scratched the memory card, that really tiny metal in there, you know. He scratched it with a knife and didn't work, and then back again. It doesn't really solve the problem. Time check, it is 9:30. Yeah, I got her 9:15. It was raining, Han, coming here. It's raining in there. When I exit to 684, it's gonna be rainy there, right?
No, it's only supposed to be a little bit.
It's raining up there, not in here.
Okay. Is that one?
Yeah.
That's really thin, or this one is?
Oh, this is good.
Because this one's a little thicker, but still thin. And maybe a little stronger.
Yes.
We have it?
Oy, nakuhan ko eh. You don't even...
I can't feel it, Ad.
You don't feel it? Nothing?
You're not doing a really good loop here.
I did, of course I do. It's just okay. Okay, don't move, okay? Like you keep moving.
May isa-shoutout ako. Hi to Idna. Hi to Idna Intia. Intia, ang sa fiancé niyang si Van Guethem. I don't know how to say it. Hi guys, thank you for watching. Isa-shoutout ko lang din si Edgar Moran. Hi Edgar Moran, at saka sa dalawang anak niyang si Hana and Sasha Roman. Hi, thank you for watching. Trishan Eureka Armada. Hi guys. Hi sis. Thank you. Trishan Eureka Armada. Hi. Always leaving now.
Yeah.
Tommy's laptop, I always carry it. It's heavy. And he carry another laptop bag. He has so many laptops guys that I cannot even imagine. Something dragging. Oh, you're gonna step on it and that's it. Hmm? Oh, I'm low, but holy cow.
Of course you are.
Ayan. But Lulu, this car need vacuuming again. Guys, Tommy would say lumpia.
Lumpia.
Nahan, that's really a word. Yeah. Lumpia.
Lumpia.
Yeah, good.
A heavier accent on the end of that word. We can.
Lumpia. That's how we do it. Lumpia, not lumpia. Lumpia.
Lumpy.
Yeah. Instead of leaving, guys, he decided to have coffee, which is, you know.
Which is really not a good idea.
Do you have breakfast?
I have to go.
You do.
I don't get them. Just leave them around.
That's good.
Unless you take the dogs away, we can take those. Maybe take
Hi,
those.
Han, you know, just stupid now.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Are you gonna frost the turkey?
Yeah. We can freeze it. Put it in a freezer bag. That bag won't.
Freezer over here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
You just put it in a Ziploc freezer bag. And then put it in the freezer.
I cannot find my thing though.
You nothing. Can't find nothing.
Oh, nothing. I'm just looking for something. You know.
Nothing.
Yeah, nothing really. But anyway, so Tommy's going, guys. Tell them that. See you Monday.
Maybe.
What? Oh, yeah,
Maybe off for the next 2 weeks.
you're working. Yeah, he's working the whole 2 weeks every day. No seeing him, guys. No seeing him.
Okay. All work.
I love you.
Maybe too.
I'll see you whenever.
Whatever.
Can you sing for us?
Nope.
Rolling Stone.
No.
Bye, guys. I'm Lobat, guys.
We'll leave for the devil.
See, bye, Han. I'm Lobat.
Bye, bye. I'm low bat.
Bye, guys. Han, bye.
Bye, guys.
11 na. So, anyway, so kita-kits na lang sa bahay, guys, kasi lobat ng camera. So, kita-kits sa bahay and hindi na ako makapag-vlog kasi dead na talaga. So, kuha na din ako ng same thing. Itong horseradish. Hanap tayo ng snacks. Binili ko pa na this one. For chips, I got this. We just got home and we just got home, guys, but I forgot that tawag dito. Nakalimutan ko, guys. Nakalimutan ko that I forgot. I'm home, but I forgot that to get the dog and the cat food. If I don't go out now, if I'm gonna do it tomorrow, the cat and the dog doesn't have any food. The cat have one. Well, actually, I think I did finish it this morning, so I guess they don't have nothing left. So anyway, so I'm going out again, and you don't see a lot of vloggy with me because I'm a vlogger. And guys, I got a clover. Oh, I went to Asian store. What I got is lumpia wrapper, 3 of that, and also 3. I think I got 3 malunggay, and also I got a anong tawag nito? Lego sardines 3 din, at saka puro 3. At saka yung ang isa lang na kinuha ko is yung 1 bunch of you know, yung hikot ba, yung buong ng tawag nito guys, giant string beans, yung batong sa atin, at saka anong tawag pa, yung calamansi Maggi sarap, Maggi seasoning, yun isa din. So I think yun. At isang supot ng pandesal from, you know, Baliwag. So yeah, so that's what I got, guys, and I'm excited for that. And I'm gonna eat, I also want clover. I'm going to eat this clover. Let's eat while driving. I don't know if this is good. This is really good. The cheesy one is good, but this is so good. Oh, ham and cheese, guys. Ham and cheese. So good. Yeah, I'm going home now, guys. It's traffic all the time in this road, all the time. Like, oh my god, every start at 3 o'clock, it's like the traffic start. Even though this is not a freaking highway, it's just start. Hi, baby. Hi, Rox. Look at her tail is waggling. I don't know if you can see. Like, hi, baby. You know, look at that dog. What is that? What? Did you say that there's a neighbor dog? The neighbor dog? What are you thinking? Oh my god. The wind, the wind. It's almost winter, baby. Roxy, it's almost winter, baby. It's oh, Dada. Let's go get him. Let's go get Dada. Dada, you're so cute, babe. You're jealous. I talked to the dog, the neighbor's dog, guys. Roxy get pissed. Hi, doggy. Look at she get pissed. Do you wanna go get doggy? Let's go get the doggy now. Let's go get the doggy. Look, he's in the bed. Look who's in your bed, baby. Look, chick, who's in your bed? Look, Hubsy Bug is in your bed. Right here, oh. Roxy, right here. Hubsy Bug is right here, oh, Hubsy Bug. Hubsy boy is Hubsy boy. Roxy, enough. Okay, now enough na. Hi, Hubsy. Okay, Roxy, enough na. Ay na. Enough na. Hi, Bug. Where you going, Rox? You love your brother, huh? You love your brother, huh? Look at this. Misty, you too. Look at this. Oh, your kisses, huh? Give your sister, brother a kisses. Don't bite, huh? No bite, because when she get like manggigil din itong asong to, guys. I-ano din niya, hindi naman niya kagatin. Ano lang, parang like that. Look at this face. Look at that face. Kisses, huh? Kisses to your brother, huh? Oh, kisses. Oh, kisses. Okay, that's it. He said enough. Come here, Rox. He said enough. So, let's open the car and find the laser, okay? Mama has... Oh, shucks. I always freaking hit my head in this car. That's why it makes me nuts. I'm already nuts. But I'm already nuts. Okay, where is my laser? Turn the light on. Oh, it's right here. Tignan niyo, naglalaro. Buti si Roxy, Misty naglalaro. Kasi ayaw talaga niya maglaro. Look, tignan mo. Dumadagan patungo dito. They don't do this for a long time, guys. So now I kind of happy that they did it. Because Misty is always like, don't wanna play that. That was funny. My sister-in-law is texting me and I don't understand what she said. She said during Chinese, come over, whatever. I don't understand, but my sister-in-law just left. Anyway, why this camera won't focus on me? Focus on me, oi! My face is not focusable. Oh my god. Look at it. What an idiot. What an idiot. She tried to eat it. Dimples, dimples. Love. Oh my god, nakalingaw na mga buang mo ni. You waiting for your turn? Are you waiting for your turn? What an idiot. What an idiot. You're so cute. You're so cute, idiot. You're so cute. I never could tell you, baby. Oh my god. Malipo. That makes you dizzy, baby. It's in your butt, Rox. Look how cute is that. Anyway guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and good night na guys. And I'm gonna give them night treaties, okay? And we go out this way. We always go out this way. Where is the other way? Are we gonna go out this way? Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I will see you guys tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Yeah. So, palabasin ko muna tong mga aso doon sa out this way. The out this way is in the garage way. Because if you see out this way, that means, look, she's going over there, waiting for me. Look. She's going over there, but we go out this way. Which way are we going? Are we go out this way? Let's go this way. Come here, let's go this way. Let's go. Let's go this way. You gonna out this way? This way? Oh, look, look, look. This way? Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Good night guys. Bye-bye. Good night. Hanggang ngayon pa naman, naisipan ko yung nagdala sa akin dito. Kampira, yung mga YouTubers. Hindi naman lahat ng YouTubers mo kampira.